Day after day, you work tirelessly, chasing the dream of wealth and freedom. Yet, the results, they're not there. Why? Because the secret to success isn't working harder. It's working smarter with the right tools. There's one thing that separates struggling marketers from those who thrive. It's having a powerful, irresistible product that your audience can't ignore. But here's the truth, generic ebooks won't cut it anymore. Ordinary won't get you noticed. What you need is extraordinary. Introducing CuisineMotion with unrestricted PLR. CuisineMotion is your golden ticket to online success. A collection so rich, so irresistible, it's practically magnetic. With 120 professionally animated cooking videos and 50 beautifully designed recipe ebooks. This package is the ultimate secret weapon for capturing your audience's attention and dominating your niche. Here's what's inside this game-changing bundle. Module 1, Food and Beverage Recipes Story Animations. Eye-catching, snackable animations perfect for social media stories. Module 2, Food and Beverage Recipes Feed Animations. Shareable videos designed to shine in any feed. Module 3, Story Education Food and Beverage Animations. Teach and engage with captivating educational content. Module 4, Food and Beverage Tips Story Animations. Quick tips to keep your audience coming back for more. Module 5, Quick Recipes Vertical Animations. Delicious recipes delivered in sleek, vertical formats. Module 6, Carousel Food and Beverage Recipes. Create stunning carousels to boost engagement. Module 7, Vertical Food Banner Designs. Professionally designed banners to elevate your campaigns. Module 8, Recipe eBooks. A treasure trove of recipe pack ebooks ready to sell or rebrand. Every module is designed to grab attention, build trust, and drive profits like never before. Cooking is timeless, it's universal, and it's a niche that never stops thriving. This collection delivers premium, done-for-you animation content that your audience will crave. But here's the best part. It comes with unrestricted private label rights, giving you full control to rebrand it, sell it as your own, keep 100% of the profits. That's not just a product, it's a business in a box. Here's how easy it is to turn this into profits. Step 1. Log in and access your collection. Step 2. Rebrand it with your name or logo. Step 3. Start selling and watch the profits roll in. No hassle, no delays, just pure, recurring income. This is a limited time offer. The price increases with every purchase. And once it's gone, it's gone. Don't miss this chance to claim CuisineMotion at the lowest price and secure your future success. It's your time and your moment. Click the button below and unlock a collection that has the power to transform your business, your income, and your life. Don't wait. Success rewards those who act now.